Hello class 4 students, welcome to my new session of factors and multiples, and today I am going to start with multiples because factors I have completed in my previous video. So students, let's start with the multiples. Multiples, as the word is this is related with this is a term which is connected with the multiply. So multiply is the product of two or more numbers, right? Multiply is the product of two or more numbers. Let's see example here. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56. This is called a multiplication, multiply. So here student, we can see that this product 56 is a multiple of 7 and 8, right? This is a multiplicand and multiplier. They both are when these two numbers are multiplied, we get the product. So the product is called the multiple of 7 and 8, both the multiplicand and multiplier. Let's take one more example, student. The numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What is this? This is the table of 2, right? Are obtained on multiplying 2 by 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and so on. So how we obtain the table of 2? By multiplying 2 1 by 1 by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, and so on. So students, the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on are called the multiples of 2. In the simple language, I can say that whenever we talk about the multiples, it means we have to write the table of that number. And table, how we calculate the table? By multiplying that number by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Right, student? Now student, the next example is to find a multiple of a number. We multiply that number by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So this is the very important point, to find the multiple of any number. Whenever we have to find the multiple of any number, we multiply that number always by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It depends on how much multiples we have to find out, right? So let's take one example. The question is find the multiple of 4. Very simple example. You know, we know the table of 4, right? But let me tell you the example. In case the number is very big, you cannot know the table of that number. So in that case also, you have to follow this method. To find the multiple of 4, multiply 4 by 1, 2, 3, dash dash, and so on. This dash dash means it will be continue. It depends on the number of multiples you have to find. So it's not mentioned here how many multiples we have to find out. No problem, students. So let's start doing the calculation. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, and dash dash dash. Why I am putting dash? It means it's not mentioned here how many multiples we have to find out, right? So student, after doing this calculation, we have to write thus: multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. And so on. When we are writing this one, when we don't know how many multiples we have to find in the questions, because multiples cannot stop. They are unlimited. They are not fixed, right, student? Now student, my next example is, the question is little bit changed from that previous question. Here the question is 24 a multiple of 6? In this type of question, students, you are not multiplying the number, you have to divide it. The question is of multiplication, but you have to divide and check. So let us divide 24 by 6. So you have to show this calculation. When you show this calculation, you have to see what is the remainder here. So here we see that 6 divides 24 exactly. Exactly means leaving no remainder. Here is the remainder is 0, no remainder is there. Whenever a number divide another number exactly without leaving no remainder, thus we can say that 24 is a multiple of 6, right? Okay students, the next example is 78 is a multiple of 7. This is the same type of question, but I want to show because here the remainder is not 0. Again, if the question is in this form, you have to check whenever is like any number is given here, to find the multiple of another number, you have to divide the number, right? Both the numbers are divided. So here 78 divided by 7, you can see the calculation. Here the remainder is 1. So we have to write 7 does not divide 78 exactly. right? So 78 is not a multiple of 7. So there are two type of questions. Now students, I have explained two topics in this multiples topic. That is, the first is find the multiples of any number. If the question is in that form, find the multiples of any number, then you have to multiply that number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? If it is, the question is this, like in this form, is 24 or is 30 is a multiple of 5 or 6 or any another number, so you have to divide. This is the part of the question. You have to do this type of calculation and give your answer after checking what is the remainder. The answer is depend on the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then yes, 24 is a multiple of 6. If remainder is not 0, you know 78 is not a multiple of 7. But student, you have to write the statement like this and do the calculations also. Alright student. Now students, my next topic of this chapter is facts about multiples. Facts about multiples means some new important points about multiples that are very important while doing this multiples topic. The first fact is each number is a multiple of itself. Each number is a multiple of itself. Let's see, 8 ones are 8. So 8 is also multiple of a 8. Second is every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. Why? 5 is a multiple of 1. 1 5s are 5. Fine. So every 1 is a multiple of every number. The first and the smallest multiple. This is very important. The first and the smallest multiple of every number is the number itself. First multiple is the number itself and the smallest multiple is also the number itself. The first multiple of 7 is 7. The smallest multiple is also 7 because 7, then 14, then 21. So the smallest multiple is also 7. Fourth point is every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. Let's see, let me tell you with the help of example. Multiples of 11 are 11, 22, 33, 44. They are the multiples of 11. So here either the multiples are equal to, multiples either the equal to or greater than. So you can see that 11 is equals to 11. So we can prove this equal to. And then other multiples are greater than, either equal to or greater than. Then next number, the next multiple is 22 is greater than 11. 33 is also greater than 11. So every multiple either equal to or greater than to that number. Okay student. Now next point is students, multiples of a number are infinite and unlimited. As we discussed in the factors, factors are limited and they are fixed, but multiples are infinite or unlimited. We can count number of multiples of any number, right? Because multiples are calculated by multiplying that number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So there are limitless numbers, so there are unlimited multiples also. So multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. There are unlimited multiples of any number. The last point is 0 is a multiple of each number, right? 0 is also multiple of each number. 1 is also multiple of each number. So there are very important facts. There are 6 important facts of regarding multiples. Okay, fine student. Now let's take one example of one more question is there. How can you find the multiples? Because here I have given a fixed number of multiples. You have to find the first 5 multiples of 15. First 5 means you have to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means first multiply 15 by 1, by 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 15 means 15, 2 is 30, 45, 60 and 75. Thus 15, this product you have to write 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75 are the first 5 multiples of 15. Right student? So student, today what we have learned about the multiples, how we calculate the multiples and the fact about the multiples. So students, I hope you understand what are the multiples, how we calculate multiples, different methods, different questions are there. And again I just repeat, the multiples are unlimited. 1 is a multiple of every number, 0 is a multiple of every number, the first and the smallest multiple is the number itself, and so on. Different facts are there. So keep watching my video. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you students.